Hey y'all, Crystal here from ChristaCoDesign. I am showing you how to get a slip knot on your needle when you are first learning to knit. That is one of the things that knitting patterns will assume you know, that you will start with a slip knot on your needle before you cast on. So we're just going to take a length of yarn here, and I'm going to use my fingers. You can also use your needle. I'm going to show you both. So first we'll wrap the yarn tail clockwise around 2 fingers. I'm going to use my thumb to hold that yarn in place there where it crosses, and then slide those off my fingers, keeping the part where it's crossing over pinched together. Now the yarn that's attached to my ball is called my working yarn, and this end is called my tail. We are going to get our working yarn pulled through our loop. To do that, I'm going to put my fingers through the back of the loop, and I'm just going to grab the working yarn and pull it through. When I do that, I am also going to pull the tail and the working yarn on this side a little bit to start making that slip knot slide. See how that tightens it? Now you can just take your needle, insert it in your slip knot, and you'll want to tighten it by pulling on the working yarn, the yarn that's attached to the ball. And that's it. You have your slip knot on your needle, and you're ready to cast on. Okay, real quick, I'm going to show you how to put a slip knot on your needle. We'll do it the same way by wrapping a length of yarn around our fingers, but I'm going to use the needle to grab the yarn through the loop instead. Just scoop underneath that working yarn and then pull it through the loop, pulling your tail and your working yarn to tighten it to your needle.